So what we are going to go through today is a really cool app which is called Google Ads Editor. If you haven't come across this, then this is the best kept secret on the internet, because not many people know that this exists. And the best of it is it's free, obviously, as like most Google products, and you can use it on both the Mac and the PC. So what this allows you to do is to make bulk changes and be able to work offline and then upload all the changes and things which you have done online. So there are two things we need to do. First of all, we can download all the data from the Google servers or Google Ads servers, make all the changes in the campaign, whatever you want, and then re-upload them at the click of a button. As you'll see from this website, it says make changes across your campaigns with ease. It's no cost, or it's easily downloadable. And as you are working offline, you can save it and then come back to it. Unlike in the interface where you could be in the middle of making a big number of changes and then obviously your internet gets cuts off or you need to do something else, it's a lot easier to be able to do this in Editor. So you can work on your accounts offline, make bulk changes using the tools in Editor. You can review them obviously before you post them, and many more things which you can do, but it makes our lives super simple and easy. The other good thing about Editor is because not many advertisers or people using Google Ads know about this, they will just make the changes in Google Ads interface and may not be able to scale the campaign the way you can by using such a tool. So they will probably do a handful of campaigns, whereas with a handful of keywords they may use. But with Editor, you can literally use dozens or hundreds or thousands of keywords without even breaking sweat. So let's hop into our Editor. I'm on a Mac. You can quite easily use it on a PC as well. You have a dark version as well as the light one. I quite like the dark one, and this is what you are seeing right now on my screen. Okay, now I think I had a question yesterday from Adam. He was asking about how to create different keyword match types. If you got loads of keywords, let's say you got broad match keywords and you want to convert them into exact match, phrase match, or broad modified. So let me show you that in here, because you can quite easily do this without having to do them one at a time. So I'm going to go into a spreadsheet and just copy a handful of keywords. Okay, we're almost there. Let's pick out that roofing contractors. So I'll pick up a handful of them. That's your 70 odd. Not yet. You need to start using this, my friends. This is the best thing you can do when using Google Ads. I'm gonna make a little ad group. I'm gonna call this roofing contractor. So I've got this ad group. So I made one campaign. In here you can set up everything you need to do: budget type, delivery, bids, and all that. I've created the ad group, and now I select that ad group. I'm going to go into my keywords, make multiple changes, and I'm going to use that selected. Okay. Now you can see in here 65 keywords in this ad group, right? Now the question which you ask Adam, and also a lot of people struggle with, is how do I convert all of these into exact match, broad modified, or phrase match? Because it will take you a fair amount of time, literally at least an hour or so, if you are quick, that is. So what most people do is they don't bother. They don't bother to do two things: either use all of these keywords or don't convert into other mesh types. You can convert them into in the interface by checking all of them and switching them off, but with broad modified you need to add that little plus sign in front of each word, right? So here's what we do. Copy or select all of these keywords, and I want to change them to exact match. And now I can see all of them have been converted into exact match. Although you don't see the square brackets around the keyword, it doesn't matter, because when it will upload, it's going to put those brackets before and at the end. But under here, I can see they are all as exact, right? Now I've done that. I want to copy the whole lot, paste them again. I get these red warning signs over here. It will say that at the bottom of the screen, if you can see it, this keyword has the same text and mesh type as another keyword in this ad group. So whenever you see this red symbol, that means there's an error. Or you hover the mouse over it and you get this description, right? So I can quite easily turn them into phrase. Now, although I'm getting another, not a warning, but kind of, not an error message, but kind of like a warning. It says, yeah, this keyword has the same text as another keyword, but with a different mesh type, which is fine. I'm happy with that. So I can ignore them or I can get rid of it afterwards. So now in this ad group, although I won't have that many keywords, I'm just showing you for demonstration and for showing you how quick and easy it is. So now I've got 130 keywords in my ad group. Now the tricky one is the broad modified, where everyone struggles to put that little plus sign in front of these words. So what I can do is I'm going to paste all of these again.